We did it.
There, we just beat our first level.
Woo! Guys, we did it! Guys, we did it! Guys, we did it! Guys, we actually did it!
Man, that was fucking scary.
This is one of the time that I took my cell phone away.
I remember that. Let me out of this crazy thing.
Let me out of here, I'm losing my mind!
Do you guys want to start a new mission, or are you still figuring your shit out?
I can start.
I'm just gonna start another thing.
Shut up, Sam.
Alright. We're gonna try. Everybody has to have at least 115 power for us to do a higher.
What are you, 15?
Apparently, yeah. Here, let's pick a.
That's the fucking noise I'm gonna make when I hack up somebody to 95 cubes when they break into my home. Virus.
Like, comment, and subscribe!
Thanks to our Patreon members, it's Firefox and Chris Adam.
There.
Hey, this is Project Get Fire. For today's video, we're gonna do OneyPlays. And for this one, I finally got the Figma for Darkness. And Darkness is gonna be played as Tomar. Now, for this one, it's gonna be based on them playing the Warhammer game. It starts with a V something, and it reminds me a lot about like the group of like Oney being Kazuma, what was it, Tomar as Darkness, Zack as Aqua, and Megami played as Lyle. You won't hear much Lyle in here, but no, like for my plans to have them to fight a monster, I'm thinking like a Dark Knight. I think I do have one, and then have like when Aqua was spamming out, when Zack was doing those weird funny quotes. Might put some like funny characters in it because it's hard to animate the mouths when all you do is stop motion. So maybe not too much action in the beginning because I don't want to waste too much time. But yeah, that's gonna be the video. That's gonna be the plan. So I'm trying to think like what ending should I do. I feel like not doing it too much. Maybe like cutting it a little short. Like when Oney scream at the end. I'm thinking about stopping the video there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See ya. Hey, this is Project Get 5. For today's video, we're going to do the Konosuba OneyPlays. Now, this one is going to be interesting since I'm thinking about doing a fight scene. And I think the editing might be a little tougher because I'm usually more of a Dragon Ball Z fighter. I mean, Dragon Ball Z editor more than swords. I'll try my best to find some good sources in editing. But yeah, this is going to be the start. Oney is going to be played as Konosuba. Megami is going to be played as Lyle. Darkness is going to be played as Tomar. And Zack is going to be played as Aqua. So yeah, let's get started. took about like 2 hours and 30 minutes. It should be less, but I've been slacking a little. So here's a video pre-edited.
We did it.
There, we just beat our first level.
Guys, we did it! Guys, we did it! Guys, we did it! Guys, we actually did it!
Man, that was fucking scary, man.
This is one of the times that my mama took my cell phone away. Remember that?
I remember that. Let me out of this crazy thing.
Let me out of here! I'm losing my mind!
Do you guys want to start a new mission, or are you still figuring your shit out?
I can start.
For myself, but I'm going to look at you know what I'm saying?
I'm just gonna start another thing.
Shut up, Sam.
All right, we're gonna try. Everybody has to have at least 115 power for us to do a higher.
What are you, 15?
Apparently, yeah. Here, let's pick a.
Yeah, I like the figure that I have for darkness. Really works well. And yeah, that's gonna be the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you guys want to see more. What moments of OneyPlays you guys want me to stop motion. So yeah, see you guys later.
Like, comment, and subscribe!
Thanks to our Patreon members, it's Firefox and Chris Adam.